Okay, so hi, it's Jim, and we're going to just do a quick installation of the mobile ad bar plugin. Here I am on one of my sites that we can basically just use, jump into. So I'll show you how it's done, and then we'll install and create a mobile ad bar. So let's do that. All right. We'll get logged in. So all you have to do, if you have WordPress, is go ahead and get yourself logged into the dashboard. Right now, basically, once you get inside, you just want to go over here on your left side over to plugins. Okay, and if WordPress is new to you, then I've got a whole training as a bonus that walks you through how to get everything set up and a WordPress site going. So then you can basically do that first and then come back here and get your mobile ad bar going. Okay, so let's go into plugins here. And I'm just going to do add new. I'm just kind of hovering over this. You can just click on it too. Okay, and then let's add a new plugin. And then with the mobile ad bar plugin, we just want to update, or we just want to upload it. So that's kind of how that works. Okay, so upload, and then so we just click on that upload button, choose file, and then basically we'll just go here onto where you downloaded the plugin to on your computer. That might just be your downloads folder. Okay, could be your desktop, wherever we want to put it. Grab the file, make sure you've got the zip file there, and then install. Okay, so that's going to install it, and then we want to activate it. That's kind of the next step. If you don't activate it, then it is installed, but it's just not something you can use yet. Right, so we want to activate it, and then you're going to see over here in your menu a new item called Mobile Ad Bar. All right, so that is how it works, and again, we can just kind of click that. Okay, and then inside you're not going to have any ad bars running yet or set up, so we just add a new mobile bar. Okay, and then here's where, all right, so let's do one relating to publishing, since that's kind of what this site is about. Now, of course, you can grab an embed code from, like, if you're promoting a ClickBank product. A lot of the ClickBank products have affiliate tools, and they've got pre-made ads ready for you to use, and they give you the code for those. I'll show you that in a different video, but in this case, we're just going to upload our own image, right? So let's click upload, and then that's going to take you into your media area, and we just want to click over here to upload files. All right. Now, I've got a bunch of ad images already created, right? And you have access to get these as one of the upgrades, a bunch of pre-done images, or you can create your own. So basically, we're just looking for something along the lines of 468 by 60 pixels. So they're kind of the small thing that'll fit. 728 by 90 also works. So let's do this one, publish a book. Pretty generic, and then basically, once we've uploaded that image, we just kind of come over here and say choose image, right? So that's going to be our image, and then we just need a URL to send that traffic to. So when people click it, when they click on that ad, it's going to take them somewhere, right? So in this case, why don't I send them to one of my products here? Okay, so let's do this one. And so I just grab the URL for my sales page here, and then basically paste that in. Okay, and then it's just going to ask if you want to load the ad in the same window or in a new window. Okay, we'll just leave it as is, and then we skip over embed ad because we're not doing that. You can't do both, you can just do one or the other here. So since we're doing an image ad, we'll skip that. And then I'm just going to click to make this active as far as the placement goes. And by default, it just is going to show it on like every page of the website. We could just show it on posts, so that would be, an option. Like if you don't want it to show on your home page, for example, that would be the way you could do it. But for now, we'll just do the active all pages and posts, and we'll just leave that stuff as is. You should know, like if you want to filter things like to posts, then you can basically say, oh, I just want it to show in this category or stuff like that. By default, it'll show on all the posts, but if you want to be specific with it, then you've got that flexibility, right? So that's kind of how that works. Okay, so once you're all set with where you want the ad to show, and you've got the image and the link and everything, and then just make sure you've got a name for the ad bar, then just click Publish. Okay, and you'll see your ad stats here. They're going to be 0 when you first create it. If you ever need to, you can reset those stats as well. So, okay, we've done it and it's out there now. So let's go ahead and let's go back to the home page here. Just the main page is what I want. And then if we kind of do this, oh yeah, see, so there's our ad right at the bottom. And then if we click on that, that will take me to the sales page where somebody can buy that product, right? So that's how the mobile ad bar gets installed and works. And so hope you enjoy it, and check out the other videos for how to use embed ads and how to create your own ad images and stuff like that. And we'll see you over there.